I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Facebook account public. First, understand that making your account public means anyone on or off Facebook can see your content. We will guide you through accessing your privacy settings, adjusting who can see your posts, and reviewing your profile information. This process ensures your desired level of visibility is correctly set for your Facebook presence. To begin, open your Facebook application or website. Look for the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines or a downward arrow, and click it. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings. On the left side of the screen, you will find a list of options. Click on Privacy. This section is your central hub for controlling who sees your information. Within the privacy settings, locate the section titled Your Activity. Here, you'll see an option for who can see your future posts. Click Edit next to it and select Public from the Audience selector. You can also limit the audience for posts you've shared with friends of friends or public to change past posts. Remember to save any changes you make. Finally, review other important privacy settings. Under How people can find and contact you, check who can see your friends list, and who can look you up using the email address or phone number you provided. Adjust these to public if that is your goal. Also, ensure your About section details are visible. Regularly reviewing these settings helps maintain your desired public presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.